Now I'm going to show you how to get rid of a bump, but first I'm going to make another curve here in the same manner so that we have a bump here in the middle. So now we've got a dip here and a dip here. We should have a bump here. See how that rocks up and down? You may have installed the door and you have a beautiful gap up top here and you have a beautiful gap on the bottom, but right here it's rubbing against the jamb, so you need to get rid of that. You need to bring this down. And again, that could be because you have a curved jamb, or you may have just screwed something up while you were planing the door. And I always carry pieces of 1x2 and 1x4 like this just for these occasions. So you see how I can rock this thing back and forth? My bump starts right about here and it goes to right about here. So I need to get that about 1/8 inch down. And I'm going to start in the middle, take it down, and then make longer passes. Again, I'm going on my lowest setting. I'm just about down to the line. No more rocking action, so we got rid of the bump. And it may not be perfect. This is not an exact science. And if it was in the middle of the door like this, I would do it, if possible, with the door in place. With the door on the hinges, I would open it up, plane this a little bit, close the door, see where I need to go, open it up, plane it a little more, and then close the door. Do that over and over until it's perfect. That gives you a good idea of how to do that.